How does one find meaning in life?
By living a meaningful life. By avoiding meaningless actions. By consciously putting meaning in actions. By not taking life for granted. By avoiding constant pursuit of fun. Fun hollows the heart. Too much fun creates emptiness. If you're clean enough from the inside, you will see that after seeing a lot of comedy, you feel empty from the inside. One of the reasons why so many comedians feel so much empty from the inside. Because life is not created to have a lot of fun. It is not designed that way. So first of all, understand, how do you lose meaning in your life? You lose meaning in your life by living in meaningless ways, by doing meaningless activities. So avoid meaningless activities. Meaningless activities will lead you very quickly into depression. And you will start asking yourself, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? This question comes in a heart which finds itself empty. So avoid that first. Secondly, you're surrounded by meaning. You don't have to find it. You love your wife. You love your sisters and brothers. You love your children. Give them a meaningful hug. Meaningful. Put meaning into it. Give them a loving gaze. Give them a loving kiss. Be aware that in this kiss there is love. Say to them, peace be with you. And mean it from your heart. Mean it in a way that from the depth of your heart, you mean them very, very well in life. And you will say to them, peace be with you. You will enforce that meaning on them again, that I wish you very, very well. Put some truth in your words. Or in other words, put some soul into your words. Hollow sentences mean nothing. Hollow greetings mean nothing. They're empty words. Empty words create hypocrisy, create confusion, not in the word, not in the mind of the one who hears them, but in the mind of the one who speaks them. So, if you are full of meaning, you will spread that meaning everywhere. And if you are devoid of meaning, you will search for meaning everywhere. So, take a red rose from your garden and give it to your wife. Not just give it, mean it. Remember, hollow actions have no power to manifest anything. Meaningful actions will create a revolution everywhere. Don't you see? Everybody in the world is waiting for a leader, is waiting for a Messiah. You know why is that? Because everybody knows that we don't have the meaning and He will have the meaning. But the irony is that they have the meaning. They don't want to live it. Every responsible man and a woman is a Messiah in their own home if they live in a meaningful way.